Now, in today's video, I'm spreading the word about this excellent buffet pass promotion which Sands Resorts is running, where you get access to as many as four amazing meals across seven buffet options, as many as seven buffet options for just MOP 588. So that's something which I wanted to share. And then for this amount, you're getting seven buffet choices, four meals, whereby you save as much as 40%. Now let's look at more details in terms of the seven buffet choices, which are the restaurants at which this promotion is running. First of all, there's Golden Peacock at level 1 at the Venetian Macau, which is one of Macau's 11 Michelin starred restaurants. You have lunch over there, and the retail price over here is actually 178 and 78, whereas that's why that's what you're getting in terms of, say, Indian cuisine and much more. And then there's also Shrek Fast, where you have a breakfast available. This is the retail price, and then this is located at level 4 Sands Kotai Central. Then there's Feast, where you get to enjoy favorites from across the world, and this is at again at level 1 Sands Kotai Central. Then there's Zin, which is a fresh take on seafood market. This is also at level 1 Sands Kotai Central. Finally, we have the remaining three, which include Grand Orbit, which is at also at level 1 Sands Kotai Central. There's Bamboo, and this is at the Venetian Macau Casino level 1. And there's Triple Eight Buffet, which is the luckiest buffet in Macau, where you have breakfast, lunch, and dinner, all three meals available, which is at level 2 Sands Macau. So all of these restaurants are actually running this excellent promotion where at a deeply discounted price you're getting to enjoy vast buffet spread. And then how to enjoy this offer? You simply scan the QR code to follow Sands Resort on WeChat. You get your buffet pass card back. And then one condition for enjoying this buffet is the fact that you must stay at Sands Resorts and also book directly with them. Of course, staying with Sands Resorts means that you have to stay at any of the various Sands Resorts properties, which include the Venetian Macau, Holiday Inn Macau Kotai Central, Conrad Macau Kotai Central, or Sands Macau. So any of these you can simply pick and choose. And then once you've done your booking, you just input your 12-digit buffet passcode. And then when you are done with all of that, you visit the specified concierge desk at the resort of your choice with the activated card pack. And that will immediately give you access for up to two adults and two children. So once again, just to repeat, these are the various places at which you can book and then enjoy this buffet pass. You have the Venetian Macau starting from HKD 1124, Parisian Macau starting from HKD 974. You have Holiday Inn Macau Kotai Central from HKD 718, Conrad Macau Kotai Central from 1189, and Sands Macau from 1358 HKD. These are all the various resorts at which you can easily enjoy this buffet pass. And the good news does not end there. On Weibo, you can use this hashtag, or Facebook, you can use the hashtag buffet pass and check in at Venetian Macau. Then the most liked photo each month will actually win 2 nights accommodation and a 2-day Sands Resorts buffet pass for two people. So not only is this buffet pass available at a deeply discounted price, but you also have the provision to actually win 2-day Sands Resorts buffet passes for two people completely free. So that is also a part of this entire promotion. So do make the most of it. Do go ahead with your booking. The links are there in the description of this video. You can go ahead and make your booking with Sands Resorts, any of the various resorts that Sands Resorts has at Macau, and then make the most of this buffet pass as well.